Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. So today we'll see how to create the process step in the folder called process step library. So see here under the browse we have two options: business process and libraries. This kind of is a folder only. So like this we can create n number of folders here. Okay. So in under the libraries we have some folders are here: alerting library, analytics library, configuration, development, executable, interface, and process step library. Just click this process step library. So here we can create either a process step folder or process step library. Okay, so this is the process step folder means this one. You see this icon, and lab process step is this one. You see this icon. Okay, so first we will see how to create the process step. So right click anywhere here. So inside this box, right click anywhere here. Again click new. In the new we have two options: process step folder and process step. Okay, first let's create the process step folder. Okay, so you see this is the folder. System by default getting the name as process step folder 46. That means already there are 45 folders are available in this process step library folder. That's why it is named this one as 46. So we will make it as an sales orders. So once you save it means you will get an information about who created this one, when it was created, right? So those information we can see here. Okay, you see the save icon, click save it. Fine, you see the process step folder has been created. Now double click this one. So whenever you double click, you see the path comes here. So we are under solution, libraries, process step library, and sales order. So here in the sales orders process step folder, again right click. So again here also we can create one more subfolder, or else we can directly create the process step itself. So click this process step. Okay, so here you can name it like create sales order, and if you want to specify the task type you can specify, mention as an user task. Yeah, now you can save this. Fine, so now the process step has been created. Okay, fine, so this is how we should create the process step folder and process step in solution documentation app. In the next video we see how to upload the documents and download the documents. Okay, that's it from this video guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.